You're watching the Kiersteads at home, sharing moments of our life.
The diesel fuel tank I'm going to weld up. I'm letting my truck exhaust run into it for 5 or 10 minutes before I start welding. So I have the pipe here with the exhaust running in. And while I've got this running and getting ready here, I'm going to go ahead and get my welder stuff ready. And in a few minutes I'll be ready to start welding there. I'm going to use the MIG welder to tack it in place after I get it tacked around it. And I'm going to use the TIG welder to TIG weld it off.
How far away should I stand when I tape this?
From here to the house.
Thanks.
Put it down in what the old straps put on the tank.
Actually, right now it's too windy to actually weld. What we're doing is just tacking the band on there for now. We have to leave the garage door open or we might suffocate.